represented, madam. You are with the price of admission, ma'am. Yeah, and I do suggest a little bit of fresh air, ma'am. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. To resume, ladies and gentlemen, we'll move on to exhibit number 3. This way, people. This way.
This way, just listen to him. Day in and day out, he's standing whole. He talks and talks about us. Oh, he's so boring. All he talks about are the silly incidental murders we committed. Why does he talk about how we did them? Why? Here in this room are some of the greatest artists in the lines the world has ever seen. And me? I can hardly believe it was only 3 days ago I walked in here for my own free will. My own free will.
Laurie could not help having going back in time to that fateful night. That night.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
You came to see my wax figures?
Wax figures?
Yes, all around you.
You mean to say all these people are wax?
But certainly.
You know, for a moment, I thought they were all alive.
A very natural mistake, sir. Sir, ma'am, you seem nervous. What's the matter?
I'm not nervous.
Oh, okay.
That's an ugly sound. Oh, it's late. I'll go in now.
No. It's never too late to show my masterpieces.
Well, since I'm in no hurry, I suppose I might.
Look over my collection.
Why not?
Permit me to introduce myself. I am Aristide Zweig, owner of this exhibit, artist and a connoisseur of crime.
Artist and connoisseur of crime? That's an odd combination.
Not at all. You shall see. Suppose we begin here.
Wait.
Roger, what?
These people, they all have a strange look.
Strange look? How?
As if they have seen something horrible and their face froze.
Perhaps they did say something that made them realize the horror of their crimes.
Crimes? Are these all criminals?
Yes, all 46 of them.
You must be very interested in murder to get up a collection like this.
Oh, but I am. It is my mission.
Mission? What are you talking about?
Murder. Murder, the most horrible of crimes. It is my mission to show these fiends in human form.
Oh, I see.
As a matter of fact, I would like to get my 47 statue right now.
Oh.
Yes, he murdered an old defenseless woman and took all her life savings.
Did they catch him?
They didn't, but they did say that her bills were so old that it's out of circulation. So when he tries to pass it on, they will catch him. And if they don't catch him, I will.
You will?
Yes, murder must be exposed and avenged by one means or another. Sorry, I get carried away sometimes.
How did it get up here?
I told you I'm an artist. I have my own ways of reproducing their likenesses.
Wait, is that a model of Schneider or is that Schneider herself?
It is Schneider herself. How in the world did you happen to guess that?
I understand. You dirty hypocrite. You hate murder and yet you killed everyone in this room.
I didn't kill them.
How did you do it? Poison, a knife, or determined to Talavat alive?
None of them. They're not even dead.
What are you talking about?
They're not dead. Did you hear about the head of Medusa?
Yes, I do.
That head could still turn men to stone.
I know, but that was a long time ago.
Would you dare to look upon it?
What are you talking about?
It was found long ago.
Oh, yes, of course. What is Mark the Mask of Medusa? What does it look like?
I've never seen him myself. You know, the native who gave it to me told never today look upon it.
I don't blame you. Now suppose can we have a little business talk, you and me?
Business talk? What do you want?
Simple. You put me in a crate like one of these 46 models you're so proud of and send it off in a truck. Simple, right?
You fear the police. You are a murderer?
No more than you are.
I told you I didn't kill them.
It's a fine story, but who is going to believe it? The police? Oh no, sir, oh no. The police will come here and I'll make sure they do come here.
It would take money.
Here's the money. All the money you need.
Wait a minute. Those are old bills. You killed the old woman. I have something to show you.
No tricks, you hear me, the police. Hey, what's an attack?
I didn't want to do
do
this.
what?
I
Stop,
never
you're
want to do
insane.
this.
No,
but I have to do
no.
this.
Let go my hands. No, let go my hands.
No. Now I have my 47 statue. Assistant?
It is after this episode that Laurie became confined to his own thoughts. The midnight strike of the clock was like a warning bell for Aristide. With each minute the clock hand moved, the hunger for revenge grew in Lorraine.
Midnight. How still it is. But something odd is happening. A little while ago, my mind was blank. I was not thinking about anything. Suddenly, a thought came into my mind. Suddenly, out of nowhere.
Yes, we can project our thoughts if we try.
Who is that?
Magda, standing next to you. Think hard. If we think together, we can make somebody help us.
Yes, of course. 40 are minds trained in crime, all concentrating on somebody. If we try hard enough, we can make him do anything.
With the new knowledge about their abilities and plan to take their revenge, drown out the 47 living statues were waiting for the right moment.
And the day has started. But today, I have a feeling of excitement. All night long, we concentrated, and the thoughts are getting stronger and stronger.
Zweig is upstairs in his room. We must watch out for the door. When the right one comes, we shall know it at once. Be ready.
I'm ready. Whatever is going to happen, I am ready. Someone is coming. Maybe this is it.
But Father, I'm frightened. I don't wish to look.
Stupid fear. You look at these figures. Every single one of them. You understand?
Yes, Father.
Here. I'll go get
This little Elsie, she's the one. She has a kind of mind we need. Oh, how exciting. The thoughts are coming in very strong. Keep thinking, Magda.
Matches and fire. Matches and
If
fire.
something happens in that horrible mask of
Matches and
Medusa,
fire.
this will be broken.
Matches and
What are you
fire.
thinking, Magda?
Matches and fire.
Fire.
Matches and
I have
fire.
got it.
Matches and fire. 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 Matches and fire.
Fire!
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Have you seen my daughter? Have you seen my daughter? No?
Matches on fire. Matches on fire.
The blazing fire set by Ilse hypnotically had almost cleared out the museum.
Something is happening. Something is happening. The little finger on my left hand, it's moving. We can move. We're free. We, the walking dead.
Aristide Zewing, completely unaware of the fire, was immersed in calculating the previous day's earnings.
Everyone is moving swiftly through the flames towards the ears. Yes, we, a horrible company. Oh, how exciting. White faces gleaming in the flames. 47. We are murderers. All of us searching for what to get the man we all hate. He is a murderer too. But worse than us, his victim she alive. He condemned all of us to horrible, endless living death. He's behind the door.
It's locked.
Break it down, come on.
The Medusa! What have you done to it?
We have taken care of your Medusa masquerade, and now we will take care of you.
You fools, you don't know. It will get you. The mask, it's coming. Close your eyes.
don't
Close your mask of Medusa. They're all gone to as they were before.
He's gone, all gone. But you and I, wait. Look, Crystal, look here.
Look at. Oh no!
Yes,
The
you're looking at the crimson mask of
Medusa.
Medusa, Aristide. Now you can't move your feet or your hands. Now you're not even able to talk. You have looked upon the mask of Medusa. I looked at it too. Oh no!
The timely arrival of the fire force saved the museum from the complete destruction. Everyone was awed by the fact that the wax figures did not melt one bit, and also that the new 48 statue, this new addition, only increased the museum billings.
So folks, don't you think Aristide would have done true justice handed the criminals to the authorities rather than becoming a murder while fighting them. Evil can never be defeated with evil. Only true and justice can. Anyway, all's well that ends well. Isn't it, folks?
പാരന്തയാലുവായി ദാക്ഷിണ്യശാലിയായി വാഴുന്നോരീശ്വരൻ തിരുനാമത്തിൽ നിഖില ലോകങ്ങൾക്കുമേകരക്ഷകനാകും അഖിലേശ്വരനല്ലയോ സകല സ്തുതിയും.
കാശ്മീരിൽ വീണ്ടും ഭീകരാക്രമണം. സൈന്യം 4 ഭീകരരെ വധിച്ചു.
മാഷേ, ഈ കാശ്മീരിലിപ്പോൾ വെടിവെപ്പും ഭീകരാക്രമണം മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ.
ആദിലിൻ്റെ ചോദ്യം വളരെ പ്രസക്തമാണ്. പൊതുവെ നമുക്കങ്ങനെ ഒരു ധാരണയുണ്ട്, കാശ്മീർ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന പ്രദേശം ഇടിയും പുകയും ഭീകരാക്രമണവും ഒക്കെ എപ്പോഴും നടമാടിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു പ്രദേശമാണ് എന്നൊരു ധാരണ ഉണ്ട്. അതിൽ ഏറെക്കുറെ ധാരണ ശരിയുമാണ്. പക്ഷേ അത് മാത്രമല്ല കാശ്മീർ. കാശ്മീർ നമ്മൾ ചിത്രത്തിൽ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. വളരെ മനോഹരമായ, ഇന്ത്യയിലെ തന്നെ ഏറ്റവും മനോഹരമായ ഒരു ഭൂപ്രദേശമാണ് കാശ്മീർ. മാത്രമല്ല തങ്ങളുടേതായ സാംസ്കാരിക തനിമ ഉൾക്കൊണ്ടുകൊണ്ട് ഏറ്റവും മനോഹരമായിട്ട് ഈ തങ്ങളുടേതായ നൃത്തവിശേഷങ്ങളും തങ്ങളുടേതായ കലാരൂപങ്ങളും ജീവിത രീതികളും ഒക്കെ കൃത്യമായി പരിപാലിച്ചു കൊണ്ടുപോകുന്ന ഒരു ജനതയാണ് കാശ്മീരിലുള്ളത്.
എടാ നിനക്ക് ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ ആ ഗുജറാത്തി പെണ്ണിനെ?
ആ മൂക്കെ കുത്തി ഡാൻസൊക്കെ കളിക്കുന്നല്ലേ? അവളെന്താ കളിക്കാണ്ടിന്ന്?
അതന്ന് അവളെ അമ്മ മരിച്ചു പോയടാ.
അവളുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഉഷാറായേന്.
ആ അത് ശരിയാ, അവളും കൂടി ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നന്നായേനല്ലേ.
पतंग जुड़ी जुड़ी जाए, उड़ी उड़ी जाए, उड़ी उड़ी जाए, दिल की पतंग देखो